Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show, back in Sicily, near Italy, just below. And we're in looking at quite an impressive home. What do you say about this? Is this good? I mean, this is impressive. Let's take a look at the history on this bad boy. This is 43,000 square feet, 22 bedrooms, 8 full bathrooms, 6.3 million US dollars. The year built is built at the end of the 19th century. And, of course, it was the castle of the noble Pinisi family of Floristella and in Sicily, and neo-Gothic style. And it is quite simply impressive Gothic artwork and more. Let's take a look at this impressive house in Sicily. Would you like to live here? I think it wouldn't be too bad. I think it's pretty good. Look at these columns and these incredible arches and more. All the masonry work is simply impressive. The grey steps going up and the amazing steel gates here on the entrance, side doors as well, in glass and timber, and then the commanding entrance. Honey, I'm home. And that is quite an echo, I'm sure, when you say that. And but look at the detail here in the steelwork. And then these amazing stairs. Which way shall I go? Left or right? Is this the entrance and that the exit? You can see a slight chip in the stair here, probably from years gone by. And then an amazing border at the top as well. It's impressive. It's stunning. And it, of course, has a private park as well. So just impressive. Look at the age here. You can see the age up here on the building, and then the timber roof as well. So simply impressive. Look at the light fitting. Wowee. Sicily delivers at 6.3 million US dollars. The archways looking magnificent. The columns looking pristine and strong, showing the strength of yesteryear in the neo-Gothic style. Oh yes, the timber ceilings are impressive, to say the very least, and so are the light fittings and the floor tiles as well. Granite and stone all around. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Imagine seeing the rebuild on this. It would be simply extraordinary in price if you had to rebuild this 1800 home. Look at the fireplace, massive, and looks like a coat of arms, and we see the black ash of yesteryear in the shot. The back of the, look at the arch here. Amazing detail in these tiles here. This is your own chapel. Yes, indeed. You've got your own church inside with a huge dome ceiling in blue with stars, which is a common European theme. Red carpet going up. See if we get a close-up of that. Well, what can we say? You've got your you've got Jesus Christ picture on the right. You've got a famous pope, it looks like, on the left. You've got this incredible candelabra-style chandelier. I guess that what it might be when you mix the two together. I'm sure there's some architecture students on here that can answer that for me. Massive arch here, beautiful black and white tiles, and then, of course, the amazing floor tiles as well in this quite impressive property. This is the church inside your home. And it's quite handy, I would say. Sunday mornings, not far to walk. And then we see the blue skies with stars, very common with looking up to the heavens, very common in European churches and so forth. Into another room, and we see some aged detail up here on the roof, but look at this chandelier, simply stunning. And the room itself, shutters on the windows, the church-style Gothic window shape as well. Massive panel doors, simply incredible. A piece of yesteryear preserved in the frame. We see amazing heating as well in there, some old school heating styles, and the big blocks that the construction is made of. So it's an impressive home. Sicily is the place. Home of historic places and also modern, which we reviewed earlier on in the day. So there we have a side shot. We've got some yuccas here in the plantation, some palms as well. We see a lovely chair here, some seating outside, and we look back at our home at 6.3 million US dollars and we say, I got a bargain. Of course, who wouldn't? It's impressive. It's beautiful. It is a picture postcard, a piece of yesteryear, built in 1800, and just simply wonderful. Looks like Winston Churchill, but no, it's not. People are saying it doesn't look like him. Okay, it doesn't. But it made me think of that. Looking down the road, so many plants, so old this garden would be that it's preserved all of this history. And there we have the church from the other direction, it looks like. Or is this another room? No, this looks like another building inside the building. So there we have it. Wow. Wow, that's pretty impressive inside your house. And wow, what more can we say? It looks like a piece added at a different time, different style in the red brick. Beautiful timber doors. Trees of yesteryear as well. The trees, look at this front door here. Incredible. Wow. Breathtaking. Really is quite breathtaking. Wow. That's an impressive property. Simply amazing, really. Simply amazing piece of history. What an amazing piece of real estate here. Ah, wonderful chandelier. A wonderful sitting room, lovely furnishings as well. Views out over Sicily on this one-of-a-kind, stunning home in just below Italy, in Sicily, and wow, what more can we say? Impressive. Take your breath away. In Cantania, Italy, and 22 bedrooms, 8 full bathrooms, 43,000 square feet, and that was a stunning home available for sale, and 2 adjoining buildings. Let's take a look at the map just quickly and see where we can see here. So let's pull back here on the coast near the city, and let's pull back so we see Sicily here, Italy connecting, and that is an amazing piece of real estate for sure. Let's finish up on a picture. That's the one we need to finish on. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did looking through it. It is simply amazing. Sicily at $6.3 million. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Please subscribe, support this channel as we build it up. We thank you. And like this video as well. And we'll catch you on the next one, looking at properties here and around the world each week. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Bye for now.